It's a movie. I'm making a movie.
All right, on the top. Alexa, shall we start?
I think we should wait for the box, because the whole thing's about the box, no?
But the box isn't here.
He is. I've got a thing on him. He's literally around the corner. Hold on, one sec. Okay, I can see where... Okay, I'm gonna go and get it myself, actually.
Hey.
Hey.
Let's go. Let's get a picture.
Sure.
Thank you.
Does it really need to be this big? Oh, God. Oh, my God. That's literally what it is. This is what was inside the box, which personally I might have saved on the packaging there, but I appreciate the gesture. Thank you so much. There's a little note here for me. Hi, Alexa, you've just received a mango box. Who could forget? 3 envelopes inside will accompany you for a day in your life in London. Do you dare to take us with you while you answer the questions in them? I do dare, thank you so much. And I'm gonna start with the first question. So it says, question 1, is the idea of dressing according to your age outdated? I think that it is an outdated notion. I think that any kind of rules, regulations, or anyone kind of foisting an idea upon you about how you should behave or be is quite old-fashioned and not appropriate anymore. Mainly because it takes the fun out of getting dressed, and you should be free to represent yourself as it occurs to you. And with that, I would like to invite you on a day with me as we traverse the streets of London. Take these things with me. What?
You're getting changed.
I'm getting changed. And now I'm gonna get changed and show you some clothes that may or may not be age appropriate, because it doesn't matter. You should wear what you want. Come. Okay. Should I tell you about it?
Yeah.
So ordinarily I would take the tube, but that's very difficult to get a permit to film on. So for the purposes of this, I am actually in a black cab, one of London's iconic taxis, and we are driving around my favourite parts of East London. And it's time for question number 2. How has your style evolved over the last 20 years? I actually feel like my style was always based on the classics. So the backbone of what I'm interested in hasn't really changed, in that I like a navy blue jumper, classic jeans, a trench coat, a Mary Jane, a loafer. And lucky for me, apparently they're back in fashion. But because I was always steadfast in what appealed to me, it meant that I didn't really have to sway too much for trends or whatever came up. So maybe my hair got a bit longer, and perhaps I like to buy or invest in pieces that are gonna last me longer, but otherwise it's pretty similar. Maybe slightly sexier. I'm a bit more daring on skirt length and unbuttoning my shirt and such the like. Now I'm gonna take you to one of my favorite restaurants, and I'm gonna enjoy myself alone at the bar, as is my wont, as a grown-up woman. And typically I wouldn't change for dinner between the cab and the place, but because this is, after all, celebration of fashion, I'm gonna give you another look. Okay, it's the last question. The question is, question 3, what is the best fashion advice you could give us? I literally don't know. I literally don't have any. What's my fashion advice? I personally hate fashion advice. As much as it's kind of set out to help women, I often find it kind of sends you into a spiral a bit, because then suddenly there are rules like no white after Labor Day, or if you're a shorter person, you can't wear culottes, is like, that's none of their business, so you do you. And my general advice is you know best, so trust your instincts. And clothes always look fantastic, and people always have the best style, I think, when they look like a true representation of their essence. So really believe that you know you the best, and your style will be shining out. And that is the end. I should leave. Bye. I'm literally taking this coat and I'm stealing it. I want to wear it now. I'm also hungry. That is all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to comment underneath. Let us know what you loved about this or didn't love about it. Personally, I'd think maybe it's a smaller box next time. But that's all from me. Thank you and goodbye. Okay, so I have to write a question for the next person, yeah? Just one question. Like a short question. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Check my spelling though, actually, because I can do it again if you want. All good? Okay.